Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, we have to open the phone dialer, and let me show you the first code, which is probably the most known. It is *##06#. And as you can see, the IMEI information just pops out, so this code is responsible for showing you the IMEI info. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is quite similar to the previous one. It's *##07#. And let me allow it. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we can check the certificates which are connected to this device. Let me get back and let me show you another code which is connected to the calendar. It is *##225###. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info. Here we will have all the events in one place. You will be able to check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. I actually do not have those events because I did not add my Gmail into this account, so that's why you cannot see actually anything here. But no worries, you will be able to check them, and this is the best option to choose because here the events are grouped into particular sections. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##426###. And as I said, we are in a diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, sign-in level. We can also tap on events, and here we will receive, let's say, some more information. What's more, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this three dots icon, tap on advanced view and tap on the status, and as you can see, we can check more information just like the heartbeat or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testimony. It is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in a testing mode, so here we can check the phone information, battery information, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. Let me pick the phone info, and as you can see, we can check the IMEI, for example, signal strength, roaming or call status. Here, after scrolling down, we can also refresh and update SC. What's more, we can turn off the radio, turn on IMS registration required, and so on and so on. We can also tap on this three dots icon in order to, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. We can also run ping test here, and here we've got the results. We can go back in order to check the battery information, and here we've got actually everything about our battery. We can check the status, if it is charging or not. So it is the best option to check if something is wrong with the cable, the charging cable, or with the battery inside your device. We can check the scale, so the health, voltage, temperature, or the technology. Let's get back and let's check usage statistics, and here we've got actually all the processes or all the apps which are on this device. Right now they are sorted by usage time. You can check it here, so you can check that, for example, we've been, the settings for almost 35 minutes. We can change the sorting type for last time used or app name, so obviously after choosing the app name, they will be listed alphabetically. And let's enter the Wi-Fi info also, and here we've got the Wi-Fi API configuration or the status. Let's check the status. For example, we can refresh the stats, and after that we can check the SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.